Higher education in America seems to be promising, but this potpourri of benefits comes with a price tag, a ridiculously big one. To furnish such exponentially high costs, education loans are the best choice. So, in the first sight, education loan to study in the United States for Indian students might seem like a jigsaw puzzle. But if you do your homework or take the help of expert loan counselors, you can get the best loan product for you. Hello friends, I am Pratibha from GyanDhan, and in this video, we will discuss in detail the education loan option for Indian students to study in the USA, different lenders, and the application process. So, GyanDhan is an education financing marketplace that helps students like you in getting abroad education loans from government banks, private banks, and NBFCs. We provide you free of cost assistance in getting the best possible loan product for your abroad studies. So you can get in touch by checking your loan eligibility. For your convenience, the link is given in the comment box and also in the description. Also, I would like you to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch all abroad education loan related videos. So let's start with today's topic. First, I will tell you whether the education loan is the right option for you or not. Readily available funds are always beneficial, and education loans gives you that. Even if you have savings to fund your study in the US, you must consider taking an education loan, for if you invest that money smartly, you can reap more interest than what you will be paying for your education loan. So here are some top benefits of taking an education loan to study in the USA. We talk about personal savings that remain untouched, we talk about tax savings on study loans, customized loan products, repayment after graduation, and the self-dependence factor. Now let's see what you must check while selecting the education loan. Selecting the right education loan isn't easy. There are various things you must keep in mind while choosing the right lender. Some of the major factors you must compare while selecting the education loan products are rate of interest, moratorium period, the processing fee, the prepayment penalty, loans in United States dollars versus Indian national rupees, fixed versus floating interest rates, the loan tenure, and the loan type. So now let's explore the types of education loans available in India for study in the USA. Broadly, there are education loan options in India to study in the USA that fall under two major brackets. First is the secured loans. These are education loans with collateral, as the name suggests, to pledge an asset to the lender as a security in order to get an education loan. This collateral can further be of two types. One is the tangible asset, which classifies like your flat, your land which is non-agricultural, shops, etc. And the other one is the intangible assets, which we talk about your fixed deposits, life insurance, government bonds, etc. The next type of loan is an unsecured education loan. These are education loans without collateral. As the name suggests, you do not need to pledge any security to the lender in order to avail of the education loan. However, there should be co-applicant and his or her income becomes a major determinant of the loan sanction. Also, only the private lenders in India and a few international players offer an unsecured education loan for an amount more than 7.5 lakh Indian national rupees. So now let's just move on to the types of lenders offering US education loans to Indian students. So there are four types of lenders that provide education loan to study in the USA for Indian students. The first one come under the public sector banks. The next are the private sector banks. We then talk about the non-banking financial companies, which are also known as NBFCs, and lastly, the international lenders. Now, I'll tell you about the expenses covered in education loans for the USA. So, various loan schemes are available in India which cover almost all types of expenses other than the tuition fee. Some of the expenses covered under the study loans would include the fee payable to the college, the accommodation fee, examination, laboratory, library fee, etc., the books, the instruments used, etc., your caution deposit, your refundable deposit, the building fund, etc., the travel expenses, insurance premium if applicable, the laptop if it's required, and other expenses like study tours, thesis, etc. So, which are the top government bank schemes in India offering education loans to study in the USA? So, some of the top government bank schemes in India offering education loans to study in the USA are SBI Global EdVantage. So, a State Bank of India has Global EdVantage scheme to Indian students for offering overseas education loans for USA. In this scheme, you can get a loan amount between 20 lakh Indian national rupees and up to 1.5 crore Indian national rupees. The maximum loan tenure is 15 years and the repayment period starts after 6 months of the course completion. To get this loan, you are required to provide collateral as security. SBI mainly considers this collateral as the key source of security. The co-applicant's profile is not very important. You can also get a rebate of 0.5% on the interest rate if you take an SBI Rin Raksha insurance on your loan. Then we talk about the Bank of Baroda Scholar. So Bank of Baroda is one of the top public sector banks for the overseas education loan for all countries including USA. The bank understands that every study abroad student is different and thus it has kept a different pricing scheme as per the student's profile, their course and country. Bank of Baroda has listed out a list of premier institutions dominated by educational institutions in America. Bank of Baroda education loan to study in the USA has 100% margin for listed colleges, 12 months of moratorium period and low interest rates. So in the next segment, I'll tell you about the top private banks in India offering education loans to study in the USA. There are few private banks in India offering education loans to study in the USA. Among them, the leading ones are Axis Bank. So one of the largest commercial private banks in India, Axis Bank offers study loans for the USA to Indian students. The maximum amount offered as unsecured loans is up to 40 lakhs INR. The interest rate typically ranges between 11% to 13% per annum, and there is no margin money for the loan amount up to 4 lakhs, while it is 15% for the amount above 4 lakhs INR. Applicable moratorium period is up to 12 months after the course completion and there is no prepayment penalty. Next, we're going to talk about ICICI Bank. So, ICICI Bank is one of the top private banks in India. ICICI Bank offers education loans for studying in the USA to Indian students. ICICI Bank offers Indian students education loans in the form of both secured and unsecured loans. The maximum loan amount that can be taken as a secured loan is up to 1 crore Indian national rupees, while the maximum amount offered as unsecured loan is up to 40 lakhs INR. The interest rate starts at 11.5% per annum and there is no margin money for the loan amount of up to 20 lakhs, while it is 15% for the amount above 20 lakhs INR. The applicable moratorium period is up to 6 months after the course completion and there is no prepayment penalty. Now, let's move on to the top NBFCs offering education loans to study in the USA. we speak about HDFC Credila, the first specialist education loan lender in India. HDFC Credila Financial Services offers education loans to study abroad for more than 1,000 universities across 35 countries in the world. The maximum loan amount that can be taken in the form of education loan without collateral from HDFC Credila is 40 lakhs Indian national rupees. The rate of interest ranges from 11% to around 12.5% per annum, and students have to pay an interest amount during the study period, and the principal amount repayment starts after 6 months of course completion. The processing fees is 1 to 2% of the loan amount plus GST, and there is no prepayment penalty. We now move on to Avans Financial Services. One of the top NBFCs in India, Avans Financial Services offers education loans to 1,626 universities, 1,262 colleges, and more than 6,000 courses across 44 countries in the world. Yes, and the maximum loan amount that can be taken in the form of education loan without collateral from Avans is 40 lakhs INR. The rate of interest varies and ranges from 11.75% to 16% per annum. Students have to pay a simple interest or a partial interest during the study period, and the principal amount repayment starts 6 months after course completion or 3 months after getting a job, whichever is earlier. The processing fee, now when we speak about it, is charged usually 1% of the loan amount plus GST, and again, there is no prepayment penalty. We then move on to InCred. So offering unsecured loans to study abroad on flexible terms, InCred is an NBFC that can offer a loan up to 40 lakhs Indian national rupees as study abroad without collateral. The rate of interest ranges from 11.75% to 16% per annum at InCred, and applicants will have to pay a simple interest or a partial interest during the study period. The maximum loan tenure can be up to 10 years. The processing fee charged is 1 to 1.25% of the loan amount plus GST, and there is no prepayment penalty. We then move on to our next lender, which is Auxilo, a pro-education NBFC. Auxilo is another option for students to study abroad and those who require education loans. The maximum loan amount that can be taken in the form of unsecured education loan from Auxilo is 40 lakhs Indian national rupees, and case level exceptions are possible. The rate of interest ranges from around 12.70% to 18% per annum, and there is a processing fees which is charged, which is 1 to 2% of the loan amount plus GST, and there is no prepayment penalty. Now let's discuss the top international lenders offering education loans to study in the USA. We talk about Empower Financing. Empower Financing offers education loans for higher studies in the US and Canada. The education loan offered is in USD or Canadian dollars without the co-applicant or the collateral. The maximum loan amount that can be taken in the form of study loan without collateral from Empower Financing is up to 50,000 USD. The rate of interest would be around 11.99 with an APR of 12.94% for graduate courses and around 13.99% with an APR of 14.98% for undergraduate courses. There is no margin money involved, and the repayment tenure is up to 10 years. To know more, you can visit the Empower Financing Education Loan. We now speak about Prodigy Finance. So Prodigy Finance is a UK-based financial lender that offers education loans on the basis of the student's academic profile without any collateral or co-applicant. The study abroad loan is offered in USD and in euros depending on the target country. The rate of interest is around of an annual percentage rate 9.4%, and there is no margin money involved, and the repayment tenure can be up to 20 years. The repayment starts after 6 months of the course completion, and no repayment is required during the moratorium period. To know more, you can visit Prodigy Finance Education Loan. So these were the types of lenders and their loan schemes. Now let's move on to a very important point: how to get an education loan in India to study in the USA. So you can check your loan eligibility with GyanDhan. The link is given for your convenience in the description and the comment box. Get expert education loan counseling from our education loan counseling experts to compare the education loan options available. Select a lender and the application online on our platform. You can get a customized document checklist as well. You can then submit the documents either online or get the documents picked up from your home by our representative. All property and other legal evaluation is also possible in loans with collateral. You can get the loan sanction letter after the lender's approval. So in the end, I'll just tell you how GyanDhan helps Indian students in getting a loan to study in the USA. You can skip all the hurdles by simply contacting GyanDhan. You can get the benefit of a streamlined education loan process. GyanDhan offers free help in getting education loan to study in the USA and several other major countries. Our education loan counselor will discuss the loan options available to you after understanding your profile. We work in partnership with several lenders in the market, including public sector banks, private banks, and NBFCs. With us, you will not have to worry about your abroad education loan application. To know if you are eligible for a USA study loan, check your loan eligibility now. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you got the understanding of education loans to study in America. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments section below. Keep watching our videos. Thanks a lot.